Hello, everyone. We are going to continue to practice adding and subtracting like radicals and roots today. So today we have the fourth root of 10 plus 7 fourth root of 10. Now you can think of this fourth root of 10 as a variable, and you need to combine like terms. So since both of these two terms have the fourth root of 10, we're just going to add them. So we say 1 plus 7 times the fourth root of 10, which is going to be equal to just the 8 times the fourth root of 10. Okay, so this one we have the expression written using radical signs. Here we have rational expressions. So we have 2 times 8 to the 1/5 power plus 10 times 8 to the 1/5 power. So if we look at what we're going to combine the 2 plus 10 and then multiply 8 to the 1/5 power. And that gives you 12 times 8 to the 1/5 power. Okay, let's try subtraction now. We have the cubic root of 54 minus the cubic root of 2. Now notice that my radicand, they're not the same. However, 54 has a factor of 2. So let's start out by trying to see if there's a perfect cube in 54. Well, 54 has the factors of 27 and 2. The cubic root of 27 is going to be 3. So now we're left with 3 cubic root of 2 minus the cubic root of 2. That is simply 3 minus 1 times the cubic root of 2, which gives you 2 cubic root of 2. Okay, let's try this with the cubic root of 5 plus the cubic root of 40. So once again, 5 does not have a perfect cube, neither does 40, but we're kind of hoping that one of the factors of 40 does have a perfect cubic root. So let's take a look. We're going to rewrite, just bring down the cubic root of 5, and we're going to rewrite the cubic root of 40 as the cubic root of 8 times 5. The cubic root of 8 is going to be 2. So now we're going to have 1 plus 2 times the cubic root of 5, which gives us 3 cubic root of 5. What if we have an expression that has a variable? Well, in this case, we have the cubic root of 8 times x squared plus the cubic root of x squared. So let's take a look. The cubic root of 8 is just 2. So we have 2 times the cubic root of x squared plus the cubic root of x squared. We're going to add the 2 plus 1 and multiply that by the cubic root of x squared, which gives us 3 cubic root of x squared. Okay, and that is how we can combine terms that have variables inside of the radicand.